Question number 5, 12.1 exercise. Sides of a triangle are in the ratio 12:17:25. Dear students, in this case, sides are not given to us. Their ratio is given to us and its perimeter is 540 centimeter. Find its area. So whenever the sides ratio is given to us, how we can find out the area? So very carefully understand this question. Always remember, dear students, whenever the ratio is given to us, to get the sides individually, we will write them in this way. Let the first side be 12. फर्स्ट साइड की रेशियो कितनी है 12, तो उसके साथ एक कांस्टेंट लगा देंगे x. लेट द फर्स्ट साइड बी x. सेकेंड साइड की रेशियो कितनी है 17, देयरफॉर द सेकेंड साइड इज 17. थर्ड साइड रेशियो इज 25, so we will take third side as 25x. Is it clear to you? Now next, perimeter is given to us. Perimeter means sum of all the three sides, a plus b plus c. So from here we will put the values of all the three sides in the perimeter formula. So let us start putting the values. So what is a? A is 12x first side plus 17x plus 25x is equal to 540. So now 12 plus 17 plus 25, we will get 54x is equal to 540. So x is equal to 540 divided by 54. So in this way you will get the value of x. 54 tens are 540. So now what we can do? Now by putting the value of x in the given sides, in the assumed sides, we can get the value of all the three sides. So let us start putting the values. Therefore first side is equal to 12x, that is 12 into 10, 120, because perimeter is given to us in centimeters, so we will write centimeter. First side is 120 centimeter. Similarly, second side is equal to 17x, 17 into 10, 170 centimeter. Now third side is equal to 25x, so 25 into 10 is equal to 250 centimeter. So in this way you will get all the three sides. Now let us write the formula. Area of triangle is equal to square root of s into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c. So dear students, because I have used this space, so just write the formula once again and let us start putting the values. So under root or square root, what is s? So we have left to find out s. So because the perimeter is 540, so what will be its semi-perimeter? Semi-perimeter will be half of perimeter. Half of के लिए multiply perimeter. So half of 540 is 270 centimeter is the semi-perimeter. So in this way you will get all the things. First side, second side, third side and semi-perimeter. So let us put them in the formula of the area. So square root of s is 270 into 270 minus first side 120, 270 minus second side 170, third 270 minus third side is 250. So let us solve it. Let us solve the square root. 270 into 270 minus 120. How much? 150 into 270 minus 170. What do you get? You will get 100 into 270 minus 250. You will get 20. So dear students, in this way you can get it. So now prime factorize it either by prime factorization method or you can do it directly. You can see 1 0 is always there with every number. Can I write it as 27 into 10? 27 tens are. Then 15 into 10. We can do the oral calculations instead of doing prime factorization. Then 100 can be written as 10 into 10. Then 2 into 10 like this. Right? So let us see the pairs. One pair is this. One pair is this. तो एक 10 हम यहाँ से और एक 10 यहाँ से बाहर निकाल लेंगे हम. 10 into 10. Now left with the remaining numbers. 27 into 15 into 2 into 10. Let us again further factorize them. 10 into 10 is 100. 27 के factors क्या होते हैं? 3. 3s are 9. 3s are 27. Then 15. 3. 5s are 15. 2. Then 10. 2 5s are 10. So let us once again make the pairs. One pair is of 3. Another pair is of 3. Pair of 2 and pair of 5. No number is left unpaired. So let us take out the representative number from every pair. A 3 from here, a 3 from here, a 5 from here, a 2 from here. So let us solve them. 3 3s are 9, 5 2s are 10, 9 into 10 into 1000 you will get 9000 centimeters square. So this is the area of this triangle. So I hope students it is clear to you. First of all, let us quickly revise it. First of all, ratio is given to us. Whenever the sides ratio is given to you, always assume the sides in this way. Let the first side be 12x, second side 17x, third side 25x. Then perimeter is given to you. So start from the perimeter. That is sum of all the three sides. From here, we'll get the value of x. And by putting this value of x in the side, assumed sides, we can get all the three sides. And because for the formula we need s, so half of the perimeter will give us s. So then put the values in the area of triangle formula, solve them and get the answer. So this is so easy. Dear students, the chapter is very easy. Okay.